Well, hello, friends. Welcome back to Commute Talk. It's a gray morning here in Sweden, just like most mornings this time of year, but we're doing okay. So, today I thought I would talk a little bit about the Serenity project and the direction of it, I guess. Because when I first uploaded the project to GitHub, then I added a little README file, and I put in there that this is a system by me, for me, based on the things that I like. And that I would love it if we could one day change that to say this is a system by us, for us, based on the things that we like. And it remained there for like the whole first year of the project. But, more and more people kept coming and like joining up and contributing code and helping out in various ways. And eventually, a couple of days ago, I changed it to finally say that this is a system by us, for us, based on the things that we like. And that's a really cool feeling that we could actually get to that point. Now, that doesn't really change anything else in practical terms, because like I'm still the the benevolent dictator for life, and I still do all the merging and everything. But I think that that's just a sane way to run a project like this. You need someone to just be the gatekeeper who says nah, and just lets stuff through some kind of a filter. And if you have been contributing code, then you know that I'm not a very harsh filterer. Like I'm very happy to take unfinished, in progress stuff and merge it as long as it doesn't interfere with other people trying to get their stuff done in the tree. And I generally trust people once I work with them a little bit and I see what kind of developer they are and what kind of attention to detail they have and so on. You build up this picture of the other person, and that's something that happens when you work together. But regardless, I think it is super duper awesome that it is really starting to feel like something that is not just me, but something that we're trying to do together somehow. And traffic's slowing down here, and that's really cool. And I guess I want to express some gratitude, because it's really important to acknowledge gratitude and to stop and think about those type of things. So I'm really, really grateful for all of the people who have come and contributed in some way, whether it's intellectually or financially or socially or maybe non-intellectually in some way. Whatever way, if you've contributed to the Serenity operating system project, then I am eternally grateful, because this project is a lifesaver for me, and it's the thing that keeps me going and keeps me sane. So I'm really, really I can't even express how grateful I am to all of you who just take an interest in it and make it so much bigger than it already was for me. And that's I don't even know. Like that's so huge for me. So thank you, everyone. And I don't really know where the project will go, like in terms of project management and everything, but I have already accepted a long time ago that I want to keep working on this, and it's probably going to take the rest of my life, and it's not going to get finished in that time frame either. But that's okay, because I got time, I got patience, and I got nothing better to do. There's nothing I would rather do than programming. It's been like that my whole life. So just gonna keep chipping away at it. And for whatever the reason is that you take an interest in this project, I'm really, really happy to see that other people can find something that that fulfills them for the moment in working on this project as well, because it's crazy enough that it's filling this need for me, but just the idea that someone else can find some satisfaction in working on the same thing. I am just incredibly grateful that I was able to start something that means something to people, because it's a gift, right? It's not something that I take for granted. And I'm often reminded that it's important to realize that the things that we are able to do today, the vast majority of them are thanks to the people who came before us, right? And no knowledge is born in a vacuum. Like, we're always standing on the shoulders of giants, and that's what's so special about our species, is that we can take the accumulated knowledge of the people who came before us, and we can transfer it to the next generation, and they can build on top of that. And I think that's just such a cool thing. And obviously, I'm able to do what I do because of all of the amazing work of programmers and engineers and mathematicians and scientists and whoever else in the past. And I'm very grateful to be living in this time where I have access to the things I have access to, and where I can talk to people over the internet when I'm not so comfortable talking to people in person. And it's just a good time to be a programmer, I think. It's a good time to have these interests. Maybe it will be an even better time ahead. We'll see. Anyways, I really just wanted to express my gratitude and mention that I'm really happy that we were able to finally make that change to say that this is a project by us, for us, based on the things that we like. Now, what that means going forward, I don't know. But I feel like the identity and the philosophy and the spirit of the Serenity operating system is taking shape over time, and we're sort of discovering more and more what the design philosophy is and what the architecture of things should be. And it's a fun, organic process. So thank you, everyone, for being a part of it. And I guess it's a little bit of an unusual introspective video today. Maybe not super unusual, but anyways, I guess that's all I have to say. So thanks for listening, and thanks for hanging out with me on the commute. I will see you next time. Bye.